Hey, what's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Dogecoin, and today video is a very good news video about Dogecoin. Absolutely, you are also feeling good about Dogecoin, and especially today I'm very happy because the whole cryptocurrency's price is now in the pumping mode. Every time I found Dogecoin is in the pumping mode, every time my friends, and especially today. Today, my friends, the whole cryptocurrency is priced in the pumping mode. You can see here that in the Dogecoin, the whole changes is positive. 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, whole changes is positive. And the price of the Dogecoin is also very low, 0.210016 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin in the market. And let me show you the latest price chart of the Dogecoin. Absolutely, my friends, you can see here that is just the last 60-minute price chart of the Dogecoin. And let me show you the changes of the Dogecoin. That is the previous time, and that is, you can see ending and starting. You can see, my friends, just in the 60-minute the Dogecoin pump like that. Absolutely, that's already a massive update of the Dogecoin. If Dogecoin continue these kind of jumps every 60 minutes, so my friends, I think there is no doubt that Dogecoin very soon, and I think that in the next month Dogecoin price will be $1 USD if they continue these kind of changes, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.